Hi, my name is Lynn. I'm a hygienist here at Serenity Smile Designs, and Dr. Erik has given me the best set of veneers that I have seen on the streets. So I came to Dr. Erik to fix my front fillings. When I got ortho again, we spaced out my teeth and filled in the gaps with white filling material, which is very fragile. Even though my hygienist didn't know how to treat them, they would chip up and stain, and it was just a recurring problem. I wanted something stronger and more beautiful, more aesthetically pleasing and natural. It was very important to me to go with an extremely natural look. I didn't want people to see my smile and go, oh wow, she has bright, fancy veneers. I wanted people to just think I had beautiful teeth. And it made me really nervous because a lot of other people do desire that bright, in-your-face smile, and I am not that type of person. So my goal of the natural look was knocked out of the park by Dr. Erik, and he worked with me every stage through the entire experience, assuring me that I was going to be able to choose down to the most minute detail exactly how I wanted things to look. We even looked at the veneers in natural light outside and in artificial light inside so that I got the look I wanted down to the T, through and through, and I couldn't be happier.